Hi guys, thanks for tuning in for this video. We're going to be checking out a brand new to the market product in the Rinseless car wash wars of the 2020s. This is from Ethos Car Care. It's their hybrid ceramic rinseless wash. Now, from my understanding, this is very much like the Armor Detail Supply Hero in the regard that it has some SiO2 in it for help with cleaning lubrication matters with that, where it's thicker, the I guess the silica makes it slicker, where you're less likely to scratch your paint, maybe aids in the cleaning power, but it does not leave protection behind. This is like your typical rinseless. You rinse 1 gallon or 1 ounce per 2 gallons, which I've done 4 gallons here. Put two ounces of the product in. You can see it's down a little bit, and it does have a good smell. It's a fruit smell, some kind of, I think it's watermelon, but not 100%. It does smell nice, and it does leave the water a little cloudy. I haven't stirred up all the way, so that seems to be the trend. The clear ones are not as popular anymore. So it says here, superior cleaning power, ultra slick feel, versatile formula, eco-friendly detailing. I guess they call it versatile because you can do, like many other rinseless washes, you can do windows, you can use as a quick detailer, waterless wash, all that stuff. So it says here, hybrid rinseless wash is a game-changing car care solution designed for a safe and efficient washing experience. It leverages advanced waterless technology with unique lubricant agents and surfactants for thorough cleaning and a stunning scratch-free finish. The addition of specialized ceramic SiO2 polymers encapsulate dirt for safe removal, breaking down grime while leaving a slick protective layer. So it may leave a little something behind. But it says perfect for eco-friendly car care. It saves water and shortens cleaning time. That's any rinseless wash, though. Ideal for those without hose access. Enjoy a refreshing car washing experience with hybrid rinseless wash. So we're gonna give it a try. We got a dirty Jeep. We'll give it a wash with this stuff and see how it does. Like I said, it seems the wording of it and explanation of how it works sounds very similar to Armor Detail Supply Hero, so I'm sensing I might want to do a comparison video where I see these two together. So it sounds like they're pretty similar. We'll see if they work pretty similar, but that's another time. We're just going to try this one by itself and see if we like it. Stay tuned. All right, so we're washing. The sun's going down earlier because we're cruising from summer into fall, so we're washing into dusk. So we definitely have some cool paint here. I got our press-all spray bottle, although the instructions say basically to put it on the bare paint, which used to be when I first started using Optimum No Rinse, ONR, like around 2010, that's per the instructions for that, and that's what you saw people doing. And then the pre-treat thing got started, and most guys won't rinse this without pre-treating. And I'm making sure I show this step because the last video I did of a rinseless, I was trying to make the video shorter and didn't show me pre-treating, and I was accused of just doing a bare paint and leave micro marring, which if there was I did not see any. So let's give it a go on the hood here and see how we like it. So we got the DIY Detail Legacy Sponge here, which a lot of people are liking. Just go back and forth, make sure we don't do circles. Get the detailing police all over us. But everybody can see I did pre-treat the hood. So we're gonna flip it over. I guess that's it. The big purpose of the Legacy Sponge being two-toned is you know what side you used. So I like using these sponges for rinseless. Where the rinseless soap tends to be slicker than the hose wash soap, it tends to make these things go faster. So far, pretty slick. Next we're gonna do is we're gonna take an Adams waterless towel. Just want to check the slickness of it. Feels pretty slick. I'd have to do a comparison with another product to evaluate how slick it is, but most of these rinseless washes are pretty slick. So, but it's slippery like they're supposed to be. So we'll dry this off here, and we will try some of the other sides. Then we'll do a summary here at the end. So stay tuned. So I'll be pre-treating these two panels. On my videos, usually I show myself doing the other side, the driver's side. So I felt like being different this time and showing the passenger side washing. But just like on the hood, pretty slick. Did notice on the hood it does wipe off pretty easy. So we'll just do the quarter panel in this back door here. And you all saw me pre-treat it. Although the instructions say not to. So, alrighty. So let's give this stuff a wipe off here so you guys can see how it dries off. So we have our notorious DIY towel that I use quite a bit. I got from Auto Geek. It is a good one. And they had a sale where it was like 2 for 1. So bought one, liked it so much. Then they had the 2 for 1 sale, got 2 more. So Griot's PFMs were my favorite for a long, long time. And I like them, they're still good. But these, whatever this twist loop is that they use on these things, is even better. So, and I'm seeing a lot of ads for it because I know these things come from like Korea and China. They come from Asia. And I'm seeing a lot of ads for on TikTok, a company called Blackline. And sometimes theirs is even cheaper. And to me, it looks an awful lot like this one. So, but anyhow, you saw it just took me a few minutes to dry it off easy. No streaks. Could be, we're not having direct sun hit us, but easy to use product. So I'm liking that aspect of it. Very slick. The water comes off real easy. Takes the dirt off real well. So we'll finish it and then we'll wrap up with some thoughts. All right, guys, we're running out of daylight, but we have us a clean Jeep. The Ethos Hybrid worked as advertised. Will it left-hand protection or not remains to be seen. I don't expect much with it being a soap-based product, but anyhow, here's what it looks like. Like I said, we're running daylight, but you can see definitely had some shine to it. It cleaned well, dirt came off easy. Dried off easy with the towel. So what more could you ask for from a rinseless product? And here's the dirt that it took off the vehicle. So pretty effective cleaning power. Would I buy it again? Probably. It's in the same price range as the Hero and as the DIY Detail. If you notice, the big difference between this and DIY Detail and also Absolute, those tend to make a little bit of foam when you're washing them. There I see some bubbles, but those tend to foam up a little bit. So that's a big difference. Price-wise, Absolute is still the best buy for money, but that one's a little harder to operate because of the soap's still thick. Nice product. I would not hesitate to recommend to buy it. However, I would catch it on sale. But this is like the second Ethos product I've used. I've got some other Ethos stuff I'm going to do some more videos on, see if I like them. So thanks for tuning in. We'll see you on the next video as we try some more products.